Namaste. Today we will do a morning yoga flow. Please sit down in your mat, stretch your legs out, your toes in to the ceiling, bend both your hands in the elbows, inhale, lean back, toes out, exhale in, toes in. Inhale out, toes out, exhale in, toes in. Inhale out, toes out. 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 Exhale in, toes in. Grab both your toes. You can push your glute to the right side, to the left side to sit in the sitting bone. You can grab your toes, your foot, otherwise your legs. Look to your toes. The most important that your back will be straight. When you will be comfortable, you can relax yourself completely and release your forehead to your knee. This is final posture. If it's too much for you right now, it's completely normal. There is no competition in yoga. You can be in place where you feel comfortable right now. No need to push, just relax yourself completely. If you are in the final posture, you can interlock your hands in the front while grabbing your foot. Keep breathing. With every exhalation, relax yourself more and more. Now gently come back to the starting position. Your back is straight. Release your hands by the side. And now we will sit in Vajrasana. Sit down in the place between your heels, your toes together, your back is straight. Now gently make a fist with your hands. Place your fist under your navel, and while exhaling, relax completely and fall forward. Here you might feel not so comfortable, but this is normal. This is one of the best posture for your digestive system. So try to relax. Now gently while inhaling, come back. Breathe. And when you are ready, while exhaling, fall forward completely. Bring your forehead to your mat and try to relax yourself. Inhale, come up. Exhale, go down. Last time. Bring your forehead to your mat. Inhale, gently come Now take a kneeling posture. You will stay in your knees, hip distance between your knees, toes in. I will show you two variations. Otherwise, you can bring both your hands behind, look up and arch your back. Exhale, release. Otherwise, while inhaling, you can bring both your hands back, place it in your heels, release your head, arch, and while exhaling one by one, hands forward. You can choose wherever is comfortable for you. Let's start. Inhale, your hands behind, arch, look up. Exhale, release, and come to the child posture. Fall forward completely and release your forehead on the mat, your hands by the side. Relax yourself here completely. Now gently come up. We will do second round. Kneeling posture, hip distance between your knees, toes in. Inhale, raise both your hands one by one. Release it in your heels, arch your back, relax your neck. Otherwise, if you want to go deeper, you can place both your hands in your mat. Now gently, while exhaling, hands one by one back and come to child posture. Relax your forehead in your mat, hands by the side, and breathe. Now gently come up, last time. Kneeling posture, hip distance between your knees, toes in. While inhaling, raise both your hands up or hands back, arch your back, look up. Exhale, release, and come to child posture. Now gently come up. Sit in any meditative posture. Your back is straight. You can sit in Sukhasana with crossed legs, otherwise you can take one leg up and push your glute to the right side, to the left side to sit in the sitting bone. Now gently, while inhaling, raise both your hands up, join the palms. Exhale, release your hands down. While inhaling, raise both your hands up, join your palms. Exhale, while inhaling, bend to the right side. Your glutes are properly grounded on the mat. Exhale, center, inhale, bend to the left. You feel a nice stretch from your glute to the tip of your toes. Exhale, center, and release your hands by the side. Now gently, while inhaling, raise both your hands up, join your palms, bring both your hands near your chest in Namaskar Mudra. Thank you so much for this practice. Subscribe to my channel. Namaste.